In this video, I will guide you how you can buy Solana meme coins on Phantom Wallet. To start by opening up your Phantom Wallet and log in to your account. Once you are in, you're just gonna need to simply head over to any decentralizer exchange because on directly you cannot purchase. So first of all, you need to make sure to withdraw some Solana or some money into your Phantom wallet. Once you have some money into your account, you now need to head over to your browser on the bottom right. Now there are two decentralized exchange are the most popular. One is Jupiter and the second one is Radium. You can choose any one of these, but personally I will simply click on Jupiter and then make sure to click on the connect wallet and connect your Phantom wallet. Now once you are done, you're just gonna need to select your Solana if you have in your wallet or any other coin that you have right now. Then in order to receive, you're just gonna need to search for any coin that you want to purchase. So let's go for Hemi as an example and simply click on it. Make sure to double check the address, otherwise you will end up buying a wrong coin. So make sure to double check your address by simply opening up Dex screener on your browser and make sure to copy the address and then paste it where you are searching for that coin. Then once you have double checked your address, you're just gonna need to enter the amount that you have in your wallet and make sure to click on the slippage settings and go for 3% or any other percentage number that you are suitable with. Then you're gonna need to simply confirm the transaction and you will gonna see your meme coin into your Solana wallet. So that's the way of how you can buy Solana meme coins on Phantom wallet.